Hey everyone, welcome back to Myra Design. If you're new here, I'm Myra, and on this channel, we dive into the world of design, creativity, and everything in between. Today, we are going to be creating some stunning designs for Instagram posts and stories using Figma. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or just someone who loves to make their feed look fabulous, this video is for you. So first things first, I'm going to go into Photoshop to edit some of the images that I'll be using. Some of them come with backgrounds and I really don't want any background. So this is the simple product that I'm using for this tutorial. I will just click select, then it will select the main subject, select then subject. It will select the subject, and I'm going to remove the bubbles by the side because this is just what I want. And then I'm going to add a shadow to give it some popping effect. So here I have all my resources that I need for this tutorial. I'll also put it in the link below. So if you want to do exactly what I'm doing, all you just need is to download it from the link below. I'm going to do the same thing for the leaf because the leaf has a background. I don't want any background, so I'm going to just remove the background in the background from. I'm just going to remove the leaf from the background, and then I'm not adding any shadow to this one. I just want it the way it is. So I have my background. I'm just going to put it into my artboard. You can see that it's highlighted. It's called Instagram post, and the one by the right is called Instagram stories. So now I'm going to use a yellowish background because the simple product has yellow as its accent colors. So I'm just going to use that. So this is a quick trick. You can make it, you can see that I'm using two backgrounds. So I want the background to be the same color, to be yellow. So hence that's why I'm using the yellow background. And then I'm just going to give it, I'm going to go to the layer panel and make it soft layer. So now you can see my background and you can see the yellow. So now I'm going to write some text, the main text that I want, and then I would use Helvetica because Helvetica is a very nice font that I recommend. So now I'm just going to place in my simple product into the frame as well. I'm trying to crop it, but I might not because it's making the shadow very box-like. I'm just going to put my simple product and I'm going to tilt it a bit. Then I'm going to add all the other things like the leaves. Okay, first I'm going to put in the line images. I'll just keep them by the corners, like so. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to just bring in the leaf as well. Yes, and I'm just going to put it there, bring it to the front. I'm also trying to use it to distract. If you notice, the shadow is really not giving me what I want, so I might uncrop it. Yeah, I'll definitely uncrop it because it's making it seem weird. But you can see the shadow has some dents here and there, so I'm going to just use the leaves to like complement it instead of going back into Photoshop to edit, just like that. Alright, so I'm going to, now this is a trick, I'm going to layer blur because I don't want the citrus to be too citrusy. If you understand. So I'm going to make it blurry. It's called layer blur. Then I'm going to increase it to like a 6. Yeah. And I'm going to do the same for the other one. I'll make it a 6. Okay. Alright, this looks nice. So now I am going to add some text here and there. Okay, I'm going to just, the price is very important, so I'm just going to draw a rectangle, give it a green color because as you can see it has some green shades in there. I'm going to round out the edges and write what I want inside. I also add a shadow so it can pop a bit. Right. So now I'm just going to write the price inside and everything that I want to be inside that. Okay, I'm going to tilt it a bit. Okay, just making minor adjustments. So now I'm just going to write what I want inside. So I'm going to write 7,000 naira because I mean, this product is expensive in Nigeria right now. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to write order now. Just going to change the font to Poppins. Okay, then I would write simpleproducts.com. Then I'm going to reduce it to big. Alright, so one last, I'm going to centralize everything, make sure everything is centered. Then I'm going to add a logo. I think the other now is still a bit big. Okay, I'm going to add the logo. I'm going to use a simple logo which I just downloaded, and I'm going to add it right there. Looks really good. Nice, everything is coming together. Okay, we're actually done with this. So now let's do the same thing for the Instagram post. We're doing the exact same thing, but I'm going to, because everything is Instagram story rather is bigger than Instagram. The frame for Instagram story is bigger than the frame from Instagram post. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. So I'm just going to do magic fingers. If you have any questions about the Instagram stories, you can leave a comment in the section. But this is, we're doing the exact same thing. So yeah, this part is going to be a little bit quick. I'm just going to increase everything. Okay, now that's coming together. Like so. And the last thing, we're going to add our simple logo, but now it's not going to be by the side, it's going to be by the center because of how the frame is. The frame is very centered, if you understand what I'm trying to say. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me design this Instagram post and stories using Figma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Myra Design for more tips and tutorials. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what kind of designs you would like me to do next. Thanks for joining me today. Keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.